My name is Bent Nikolajsen. I'm the Program Manager, Danish Liberal Democracy Program, and I'm happy to have spent 2 very productive days here at an outcome harvesting workshop together with people from Center for Multi-Party Democracy Kenya and a good handful of Kenyan political parties. We have in a little bit more than 2 years been working together in a project called Citizen-Centered Policy, and that was a very ambitious project. We wanted to achieve a lot of things and wanted to create a lot of life in the local branches of the political parties. And what we have seen is that, of course, we have not managed all what we wanted, but things are going very much in the right direction. So that's been a very positive experience for me and the other representatives of the Danish political parties. And this project will end now, but we will continue in the new year in a 3-year project where we will focus very much on young people in political parties. I think that's a very big challenge and a possibility for political parties in Kenya to get closer to the young people. Asante sana.